Did you do well?
Yeah.
Okay, so any doubts with the last concepts, what and all we have discussed regarding a model is?
No, ma'am.
Did you practice?
Yeah.
That's easy or difficult?
Mm, Easy compared to Tally. I think
Mm.
it's easy.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So
The
today,
trial period is for 7 days or 14 days.
14 days. So already it's 7 days over, I guess.
Yeah, for me, I think it's showing like start my new free trial.
Oh,
So I think
yeah, research. Just click on the
ah
switch to 14 days free trial. Then automatically it will be updated. Okay.
okay.
For the
Okay.
future, like if you have already it is over means the trial period, you can
Okay.
just again it will ask for the things. If you want, you can go ahead with the payment, or else if you just click on the free subscription. Okay,
Okay.
switch to
Okay.
free subscription. 14
Okay.
days.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yes. So let me share my screen. Mm-mm-mm. Here is your friends.
Don't know, ma'am.
So today let us learn regarding the settings aspects. Okay. Okay, fine. So can you see my screen?
Yes, it's visible.
So till last class we have discussed about the modules. Am I right? So we have so many modules. So we have completed with the modules explanation. Am I right? Anything is pending?
No.
Okay, fine. So today let me explain the other stuffings. So you can go with the settings.
Okay.
Okay. So here regarding a profile and a branding means you can go ahead with the branding. So which brands, if you have any brands or if you want to create any logos, like a since logo you'll be knowing that, right?
Yeah.
If you want to create any organization logo, or if you want to customize, and if you want to put a colors and other things means you can come and you can do it here. Okay, under the
Okay.
branding. Custom domain. So custom domain, it's nothing that you have, if you want to mapping, like for the mapping purpose, we can custom the domain. So whichever the domain they belongs to, or anything regarding, you can see that, for example, let us see the company's name as a Jayankar, and the website domain name will be something. So these are the things. So with the domain mapping, you customer can access the customer portal from the subdomain. So subdomain will be like this. So usually we'll be having a something called www dot. So something will be having, like I can say you, let me show. So this will be your main domain. Am I right?
Yes.
So if you want a subdomain means you can see here. So
Okay.
this is what a subdomain. If you want to create means you can comment, you can create it here. Okay. So
Okay.
that is what map customizing. So that is one thing. So let me go for the next. And next, you can come to location. Okay. Before that, let me teach you. Okay, location. You can come to location. What do you mean by locations? First, we had actually first we had only branches. The name was branches. Now it has updated into branch. Okay. So now
Okay.
it has updated to brand location. So location is nothing that it is like if you have a if you're dealing with any warehouses or any branches, if you're dealing with the 2 to 3 branches means you can go ahead, you can do under that. So in the tally also we had the same thing. I think you remember, I guess, in the job costing under and all we used to create locations. Do you remember that?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, that main location as well as Venugopal location, something was there. I
Yeah.
think I remember that. So that is how here also you can create a location. See, so since for the morning slot I have created this, so only the location which we'll be going to have means that will be the head office. So head office means, oh, if you are dealing with only one branch means it will come only head office as a your branch presently what you are doing. Okay. So and if
Okay.
you want to add some other locations also means you can add it here. So you can come to add locations, click on that. Here you can see one is a business location, like a branch wise or a location wise, you can give it here. Or a warehouse is nothing that completely a stock items to track the stocks, or as well as if you want any go downs means you can select warehouse locations. Okay.
Okay.
So let me take a business location. So if you have any logo means you can take the logos. So let me select the location name as a Kormangla. Okay. Kormangla branch. I'll be taking as a Kormangla branch. Next, so if you want to make this as a main location also, you can make. This is a child location. So if you want to make it as a like a child location means obviously it will be the main location. So that is what the thing. If you have an address means you can put it here. Kormangala. And anything regarding that things if you have means you can go ahead with that. I can
Child
put it in.
location means the main location.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, fine. So I have just put that something. So here GSTR1, it's according to your thing, you can just select. So your transaction series. Each and every time if your transaction means transferring the goods means obviously you'll be having a transaction ID. So I think you'll be remembering. So if you are like transferring from one place to another place means you'll be like a, have you ever seen order transaction ID and all will be there? Did you ever ordered online?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you ever observe that transaction ID?
Yeah, yeah. Transaction ID is there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is what the thing. So transaction series, if you have, you can just go ahead with that. So let me take it as a default transaction. Default transaction number, if you have means you can put that. So let me take it as a default for both the things for time being. So okay, I'll be saving now. So can you see here?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be a Kormangla branch I have selected, and I have, if you want you can use that. Okay, so
Okay.
now you can see this locations and other stuffings in can you see your location if you go for
Yeah.
expenses? So for each and every module there will be a location. Okay, so in the if
Okay.
you can go to locations, so there can you see now we have
Yeah.
created Kormangla branch. First we had only head office. So next if you want to work on the Finpro branch you can go ahead with that. So if you want to, you're working on the Kormangla branch means you can select the Kormangla branch. Okay.
Okay.
So that is how it will work. Not only that, if
Okay.
you come for vendor, vendor means it they will opening balance. Oh, head office. Here, can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, whichever you want, you can select.
Okay.
Not only that, sales, each and every module, it will be customer creation. If you are doing means, you can just enter. Can you see here?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So that is how you are going to create. Any doubts?
No.
Creating a location.
No.
Okay, fine. So let me go for the next thing. So manage subscription. So if you want to go ahead with the paid subscription also you can use. Now it's a plan name is a 14 days free trial I'm using. So after like I already have used 7 days. It will show by default here. And if you have purchased or a sales or everything what and all I have recorded here, everything will show here. So I have used 10. So still I can use 10,000. 10,000 I have used. So till more 10 is left. So this is how it will show. So if you go with the things means you will be easily you'll be getting to understand. So I have already have showed you that. It's again subscription. Upgrade a plans. That I started to do. record. Okay. So can you see it? So in if your purchase for 749 rupees means you can pass the invoices of you can use 5,000 invoices here for each and every. So manage in 10,000 invoices you can post. Here 25,000. Here 1 lakh invoices you can post. Here 3 users you can give for 3 as Netflix and Amazon. If your purchase means obviously we can get the credentials and we can log in, right? So
Yeah.
same like that. So here also 3 users can use, here 5 users, 10 users, 15 users, like that. Okay. So
Okay.
this is what a paid version, professional. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, come back to your settings now. So if you want any subscriptions means you can go and you can opt and you can do that. Okay, fine. So let us come for the next topic, that is users and roles. So users and roles, I already have taught you all in the tally. I think you remember that change user in tally.
I
Well,
yes, ma'am.
yeah, while doing a tally what we have explained to you. So the same thing. So here also users as well as roles options are there. Users means it's nothing that how many are using, so which are the things they are using. So based on your categories categorized you're going to do. Roles means you're going to assign that. So roles, these are the roles: purchase role, accountant, or you're going to bifurcate the work and you're going to give the roles for them. And user preferences, user preferences is nothing that, so which field they are working, so you're going to give a label for that particular thing. Okay, so that is what a user preferences. So let me teach you that how it will going to work. Okay, if you want to add, like just go for the users, you can invite the users. Okay, before that we have to add a users, am I right? So
Yeah.
already there is a admin. So if you want to invite account, if you're sending a, like just take it as example. So if you go for WhatsApp, you have created one group, I can send the invite link invitation,
Yeah.
am I right?
Yeah.
So without creating a group, can you able to send the invitation?
No.
So that is what the thing. It's simple. Okay.
Okay.
So now first and foremost we have to create a roles and their user preferences, everything. Then first we have to set and we have to assign for that particular person. Am I right?
Oh yeah.
So the same thing we are going to do it here. So let us create a role. So by default, you can see that admin as well as this is what morning we have created. Okay, admin, staff, and staff assign customer only, and timesheet. These are the things will be by default. It will be there. So if you want to assign, if you want to create some more means, you can come to here. So can you see here new role? Just tap on that. Okay, here you'll be since already purchase is over. So let me take it as a academic academic ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ associate accountant. Okay, have given as associate accountant. So if you want to give a description as a particularly like accounting department. Okay, something I have given here. So accounting department junior post. Okay, so the year you can see that these role has to be accountant users. So here you are going to assign for this particular job person, you'll be going to assign. So if you, since you are associate accountant, so obviously he can handle everything, am I right? If it is purchase
Yes,
means
ma'am.
obviously you have to select only purchase module. If it is an accountant means you can give everything. Here you can select everything, you generalize budgeting. So everything you can give for it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Projects or whatever location related things. Here also GST related things. So everything we can give for it. So here you can just select what and all you want to give access him, and or what and all you don't want to give means everything you can update here.
Okay.
Okay, this is how you're going to give each and every access for this associates accountant. So now I'll be saving this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Associate accounts. So have created. So everything is created. So this is how you're going to create a roles,
Okay.
assigning the roles. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you want to make any changes, if you want to edit or if you want to copy that also you can copy. Delete means also you can delete that role. Okay.
Okay.
So next you can go ahead with the user preference. Here we can create a user names. Okay. So user date, which date they can see, everything that we can make it here. Okay. So let
Okay.
me create now. So since we have created the purchase, let me take it as a associate content label. I have created data type. So we have a varieties of data type. So here data type means in which form you're going to send for that. Okay,
Okay.
and in the which format they is to work. So here you can select from the data type, a decimal or amount or a percentage wise, date wise. So which is suitable for that particular person. So based on that, if you're dealing with the anything means you can go ahead with the thing or
Okay.
image. So let me select it as a number. Okay, so by default, everything will come. So privacy related things or input format, default, mandatory, these are the things. So if you want to give anything means, so we can't able to give. So let me take it as a say. So now can you see here?
Yeah.
Associates content is active now. Okay. So the person is like the person I have user preference I have already given here. So now if you want to mark is inactive, you can inactive, or if you want to delete, you can delete. And if you want to configure any settings for that particular users also, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is how you're going to do the users roles and user preferences. Any doubts?
No, man.
Come back. Okay, that is how you're going to do. Now, tax compliances. So, tax is completely, we can't able to do anything because tax is, if you're going ahead with the professional mode means you can do that. So, since we can do setting the things and other stuffing, but we can't able to already have said you that e-way bills and all we can't able to generate e-invoicing or these other stuffings we cannot able to do. So, don't worry about this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next setup and configurations. So general, if you come for general means in the module is what and all it should be shown. So since we have selected these other stuffings is very important. So we have to do on this. So if you want other things also task or a payment links or a fixed assets, payrolls. So what and all is to be displayed in the top of your screen means those things you can select it here. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting my points?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So this is how it will be. Currencies already we have done. So opening balance also is done. So reminder, let us go for the reminder. So reminder is nothing that. So you're going to give the reminder for your. If you want, you can give get a reminder for yourself as well as for the customers. So you'll be sending a reminder one, reminder two, reminder three. So like that. So if you send means obviously they will be alert. Am I right?
Yeah.
That is how you're going to do. So here if you want you can enable that reminder. So morning we have done with the things, so you can see that too. So if you're sending for yourself you can select and enable and you can see reminder one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, at the same time if you're doing that if you're sending for the customers also you can select and you can just select delete. If you want to delete means you can delete, and if you want to add new reminder also you can add already. Can you see here? So reminder. So it will be, I'll be reminding for who I have to select here. Customer or a customer copy if you want. Customer means you can select the customer from whom the thing is going on. You're sending. And you're sending an invoice to send the payment, do the payment in the online. Okay. So
Okay.
here you can, this is the remind about the payment details below invoices, and you'll be selecting and you'll be sending for that particular person. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it will be. You can just mark and you can just do that. Okay, you can just enable and you can send the reminder for that particular process. Okay, understood.
Yeah, ma'am.
So I already have worked on that. It will be showing something and all. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So next will be customer portal. So customer portal means you'll be knowing that. What do you mean by portal? Hmm? So customer portal is nothing that. So specifically, if they have any websites or any portal regarding their portal means, obviously, if you want a customer portal means you can go and you can view and you can put in all the things they need. So those stuffings we can view, and based on that we can notify by the mail ID. So just take it as an example. Obviously, will be you if you are using any online shopping like a Flipkart and all means, so if you go and if you search once means obviously, so what will be the thing will happen next, at the next moment you'll be getting the messages and all based on that. So either in the mail ID or in the SMS you are getting there is a discount on this product like that and all it will come. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what the thing. Notification, regarding a notification you'll be getting. Okay.
Okay.
So based on the customers, if I am satisfied, I am preferring to buy flask. Just take it as example. Flask. I want to buy hot flask. So I'll be searching, and if I'm not happy with the things, or if I put for that in the cart means obviously whenever the price is down or high, everything will be notified in the mail or a SMS. So that is what a customer
Okay.
portal. Okay.
Okay.
And also we'll be having a customer, particularly customer portal and all will be having, if you have any queries or anything means you can go for customer portal and you can uh, do the things. Am I right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
whatever the message if you want to do means you can just message and you can send. If you want a help means also you can do get a help from the particular website. Okay. So that
Okay.
is also one thing. Okay. And vendor portal means it's a from the vendor point of view, if there any if you are available or not, or anything means if they want to present means they will use this banner
Okay.
message. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like that. So next will be customization. Okay, next let us go for the customization. Customize this transaction series number. If you want to create by default your new series means you can create. Already we are receiving like this. Am I right? If it
Yeah.
is a deliver means 001, and these are the things which you already we have by default it's coming. If you want to
Okay.
make it 00 instead of 001, if you want to make it as a 2 3 5 6 7 and all, it means you can create by your own by going to new series.
Okay.
Okay. So the next will be PDF templates. So by default, they will be giving up PDF templates. So if you
Mm.
want like a quotations, if you want or a sales order checks, whatever you want based on your module, bills or whatever it may be. So if you want a varieties of templates, you can create your template by own and you can customize that. Also, if you want a new creations, also you can use both the things. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so the templates you can use for the future purpose. And next, let us go for the email notification. So if you want to send any notification, already we have sent, I think you'll be reminder. So by default, it will go. But if you want to make it as any default settings, so I can say that if you open your mail ID means you'll be receiving a varieties of mails from the unknown persons. Like it can be a credit card, or sometimes it will be in the debit card. You'll be getting like that, and all you'll be receiving. Are you ever observed that?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So that is what a default notification invoices. Okay. If you want to
Okay.
set that means, so if you're a regular customer for me means obviously I'll be using your number and I'll be sending a notification that any discounts are available for any festivals or any occasions means I'll send through that and you can, if you want, if you're interested means you can buy that. So that is what a email notification invoice setting. And SMS also. So in your SMS also, if your recharge currency is over means obviously you'll be getting a notification through the SMS and all. I have observed.
Yeah.
Not only for that thing, we have so many varieties of things. You, based on the products also, you'll be getting messages and notifications, so like that. So this is also kind of advertising purpose as well as for the reminder purpose. They will be using these other things. So if you want, you can create by yourself. Okay, so you can see here, we are offering only 3 SMS they are offering freely. If you opted for the professional mode means, you can just paid version means you can pay the 75 rupees. You'll be getting 300 SMS unit. Okay, so this is what the thing, to send a notification for the employees, customers, or whatever it may be. Okay,
Okay.
any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so fine. So then let us go for the next thing. Okay, fine. Okay, so now let us go for the report tags. So report tags means what according to you? Any idea? Report tags.
No, ma'am. Any?
Hmm? Like just take it as an example, if you are dealing with a 2 to 3 branches means, to create mm, particular things, like it can be just take it as an example, if you're dealing with the 3 go downs. Okay,
Okay.
so which go down as each and every go downs, they will be going to put some 10,000 products for each things. Okay, so
Okay.
just take it as an example, for from the Vijayanagara branch, we have sold of goods of rupees 5,000. Okay,
Okay.
so to record that, if you're dealing with any productions or any manufacturing or a selling means, obviously we have to record that also, right? So
Yeah.
you cannot able to record like we have sold of rupees this and that and all. So nobody can understand that. So if you're if you are separately doing accounts, if you're dealing with things means, obviously if you have a 3 go downs means, so in which go down the sales has happened. Are you getting my points?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that is you're going to configure under the reporting tags. So let me show you reporting tags. You can go here and you can click on the new reports. Let me take it as a already we have created with the go downs. So let me take it as a location. Okay, so I'll be taking as a location 1, location 2, location 3. Okay, okay, location here I'll be taking as a location 1, 2. Okay, now I have created here. You can create your like if it is a godown means, you can create a 3 godowns. So one
Okay.
godown in Vijayanagara, one godown in Kormangala, one godown in Whitefield. Okay, so
Okay.
if you want further, like if you're dealing with the 4 to 5 minutes, you can add the another option also. Okay, so and
Okay.
also if you want the location wise also, you can go ahead with the location. Godown wise also, you can go ahead with the godown. Department wise also, if you want to create means, you can create a department wise also. Okay, for each and every
Okay.
company there are varieties of departments means, if you're dealing with that means, you can go ahead with that. Okay, so now let me save this. Okay, I'll show you this. Are you getting bored?
No, ma'am.
Feeling sleepy? Okay, fine. So okay, so let me show you that how it will work. Okay, let me select expenses. Okay, click on new. So you can select the head office here. Sorry. Okay, can you see the reporting tax? If you click
Yeah.
on this means, you'll be getting here go down or a location. Morning I have created go down, so it's showing location. Now we have created locations. Can you see that? So if you're
Yeah.
working on the second location means you can work on that. Okay.
Okay.
Understand? So this is how you're going to create the report tags. Any doubts still here?
Oh,
Okay, we are now done with the reporting tags. Web tabs means, so it's if you want to create any web regarding things with like a www dot and website, anything if you want to create means you can create it here.
okay.
Okay. And also digital signature also you can create by using the digital signature. So since education mode it is not available, so you can go through the recording video.
Okay.
It will show
Okay.
what
Okay.
and all
Okay.
is there not means automatically it will show the video. Okay. And also automations don't go with this. So it's a workflow rules. If you want to give for employees any rules and regulations or a workflow actions and a workflow logs or a schedules, so everything you can fix for the employees purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So if you are like obviously in one company with employees related things will be there. If you want any regarding things, work regarding things, if you want to assign or if you want to take any actions or if you want to take any logs, means automatically log out login and schedule is if you want to schedule anything means you can meeting and all you can schedule it here. This is
Okay.
automations. So if you once if your fix means automatically by default for each and every one persons will be if your tag means automatically it will go for everyone. Okay. So just
Okay.
take as example if your scheduled meeting means, so at a 4 time it will for everyone it will get a reminder. So that is a
Okay.
4 o'clock there is a meeting there, like how in a real life school and all they will write in the book and they'll send for each and every classes, right? So
Yeah.
same like that it is will be in the automated. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay, fine. Next, come to general. So, already we have done with the customer creation and vendor. These are the stuffings we already know, right? So,
Yeah.
next, let us go with the projects. Projects is nothing that. So, if you are dealing with the, any new projects, if you want to create means you can create it that. Okay. So, let me create it one. Okay. So, I'll be creating a. Okay, fine. So we will be having a different varieties of project work. If you are dealing with the different varieties of project work means you can come and you can work it under here. So before that, let me teach you other stuff. One sec. Can you see your time tracking? Hello, hello. Can
Oh,
you hear
sorry.
me?
I was speaking, but it was mute. Yeah, I can see that.
Okay.
Time tracking.
Yes, time tracking. Under here itself, you can do everything. You can just click on the time tracking. So here, if you have any new project works, means you can come and you can create a new projects. Okay. So let me give it as a new project only. Okay. New project and customer name for any. If you have any customers names, you can select it here. So let me take Kabira, and you can give the billing method based on the project as. Okay. Based on the project as I'll be going to give her, I'll be going to pay the amount. Okay. So for per hour, how much you're going to cost for them? So let me take it as a 5,000 per hour. I'll be going to pay for him. So that is what the thing. So this is how you're going to configure. Till here, any doubts?
No, ma'am, understood.
Okay. So here also you can just add a users also. If you have any new users, task for whom and all you are assigning, everything you can see it under here. So here I am manager approvals. So I'll be the admin. So I'll be taking my name itself. So the task name. So if you have any task name means you can give it here. Let me take it as a for Sanjana. So I'll be giving as a purchase. Purchase is a department. She has to look after that. Okay. And if you want, let me take it Banu. Okay. So I will be assigning sales department. Okay. So this is how you're going to project you're going to assign for the particular
Okay.
things task. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is how you're going to assign. Can you see it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
everything will be comes under here. So from logged hours, how many hours they are working, everything you can see it here. Log out time, login time, and who will be and cost per hour, how much you have paid already. Everything you can record it here for the two persons. Okay. So and timesheets. So here, if you want login time, log out time, so you can just go ahead with the navigation path. So to know that new login entry, so login entry, the task name, everything you can give it here. Project name, new project, and task name you can select for whom and all you are getting, and time spent. So 8 hours, just take it as a 8 hours. So and if you want to give anything means you can give it here, and a start timer. Mm, it is more than that. Mm, mm. Oh, they already logged, so that's why. Let me take different. Mm, 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 mm. The time instead of that. Sure. Okay, since it's created, so it's showing here. Start. You just give the start. Add titles, notes if you want to for sales or for anyone. You can just give that start time. Okay. Now you can go ahead with the projects. So which project you have assigned, everything you can see that. Approval has, it's already started. So this is how you're going to, for this week it has, you can see. Okay. And customer approvals, if they have any approvals from them or approvals from anybody, everything will be shown here. Okay. So
Okay.
just can you see in the top of here, it's already started timings.
Yeah.
So this is how it will be. Okay. So if you like approvals, it's nothing that timesheet means how many hours you have working, as well as approvals means it's nothing that if you are the manager is approved any project works of yours means you can, it will come under this. And customer approvals, customer if you are sold any goods and goods for the particular person means if they if you are send quotations means if they are agreed means you can record it under the customer approvals. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it will be. If they rejected means also it's, they can do that. Okay. So this
Okay.
is how. So if you want to stop pause means you can pause that, and if you want to delete means you can delete. Stop also you can stop. The task name you have to put new project for the task whom you are stopping. That also you can record and you can stop that. And if you want to start means you can start. Understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Feeling sleepy?
No.
Okay, fine. Next, already we have done with the inventory adjustments, and another one is a customer payments. So customer payments, it's nothing that. So already we have online payments regarding that thing. The bank should be attached. So this is what for the vendor customer payment also, vendor payment also. And
Okay.
comes to sales, we have done. So packing slip is nothing that while doing a packing, you have to on the top of that we have to pay something for delivery, which are the address it has to reach and the delivery address details and all. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is what a packing slip. So this
Okay.
is already we have done with the purchase modeling. Overview means it's completely regarding the If you want, you can create an overview. So module name, if you want to create any new modules. Okay. So apart from this modules, if you want to create any new module means you can create by yourself
Okay.
and you can just suggest for that. Okay, don't do that and all. Okay, customer modeling. Okay, now if you want to work on the Zoho apps, the Zoho app should be connected with these other apps means you can connect with these other apps. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Zoho Desk, these are the things are there. So you can use this also by integrating. So instead of that, you can go ahead with this. As well as we have a WhatsApp option also. You can connect with the WhatsApp also, as well as in the WhatsApp. Not only that, we have a varieties of things. So marketing purpose and other apps also it's available. If you click on this, means you'll be getting so many apps. You can try based on by using this. You can work in the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
And developer data means for developing anything if you want to develop by yourselves. Okay, so signals, regarding the signals or the networks if you want to set up, as well as how many connections are there, how many are connected connections. Obviously you'll be knowing that 3 invitees will work and 4 invitees can use their credentials, am I right?
Yeah.
So depends on, so how many are there, everything we can view, and data management also you can do. So these are the things, web forms, if you want to create any web forms means also you can create. So this is how you're going to do the Zoho books. Any doubts with any model?
No, ma'am.
Are you clear about the topic?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay, fine. So what and all I have taught you, just go through that, understand, and if
Mm.
you have any doubts means you can reach out. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
fine for you.
Yeah. Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So practice once. Tomorrow I'll be explaining the case study. So
Okay.
just do tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Take care.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah.